to the Ality Atom World RTV English News. Today news. SKM condemns attack on restless farmers and women. The cowardly BJP government led by Narendra Modi closed borders, arrested many artists and kept many under house arrest from May 27 onwards to stall democratic protest on May 28. Called by the women wrestlers and supported by the Samyukta Kisan Morcha. Borders were closed to stop farmers and women from reaching Delhi. Ironically, coming on a day the Prime Minister inaugurated the new parliament, the measures saw unprecedented use of force. The women wrestlers as well as other sportspersons along with women, the farmers who joined the protest to express their solidarity in the fight against Brij Bhushan Surat Singh, a BJP member of parliament who is accused the national flags they held and took them to various police stations. Vinesh Phogat, Sakshi Malik, Bajrang Punia and others who won medals for Indian were assaulted and arrested without any provocation. There is no news of their whereabouts till now. The protest tent where they had been carrying out a peaceful struggles was also totally destroyed by the police. Leaders of the different movements, organizations including Vinesh Phogat, Sakshi Malik, Bajrang Punia and others who won medals for India were assaulted and arrested without any provocation. There is no news of their whereabouts till now. The protest tent where they had been carrying out a peaceful struggle was also totally destroyed by the police. Leaders of different women's organizations including Subhashini Ali, Jagmati Sagwan, Aniya Raja Poonam, Kaushik, Maimonia Molla and women former leaders Chiranjit Kaur Duraian and Devender Kaur Hardaspura and others were detained. SKM of the opinion that this exposes BJP anti-women democratic character and how low they can stoop to protect people accused of sexual harassment. It shows the hollowness of the Prime Minister's Beti Bachao slogan. Thousands were coming in solidarity with the women wrestlers to attend the Mahila Summan Mahapanchayat. Repression was unleashed and thousands were arrested in Rostak, Hisar, Baiwani, Jila, Pailwan Gurgan and other places. Women and farmers from Punjab were detained at Punjab-Haryana border near Narwana. They blocked the national highway in protest. Hundreds were detained at Gurudwara Manji Sahib at Ambiya city. Many farmers were detained near Singhu borders and taken to police station in Sonipat. Farmers mentioned to Takira borders, membering about thousands were detained. SKM leaders Rakesh Taikit and over 2,000 farmers reached Gazipur border where they were stopped. Farmers were even detained from railway stations and bus stands. SKM calls upon all democratic sections to rise up in protest. SKM wants Narendra Modi led BJP government that the struggles will be interested and carried on till the sexual harassment are arrested and punished. AIDWA strongly condemns the repression unleashed by the Modi government, the detention of people going to Mahila Samman Panchayat. At the new parliament building today reveals an authoritarian face. The police have been detaining activities, the leaders from their residence and while walking towards the parliament. It is outrageous that the protesting wrestlers have been virtually manhandled by the police and arrested. The protest site has been discriminated and destroyed by the police. AIDWA Vice President Subhashini Ali, Jagmati Sagwan, Delhi President Maimonia Molla, Ani Raja, NFIW, Poonam Kaushik, PMS and others have been arrested with other women activities. Along with the hundreds of women activities of the democratic, youth Federation of India (DYFI) and Students Foundation of India (SFI) have also been detained. Busloads of farmers from the All India Kisan Sabha (AIKS) are being prevented entering the Delhi. Those who had already reached the Jantar Mantar broke through the police barricade and pushed towards the new parliament, facing more police crackdown along the way. The interest is down is Central Delhi. AIDWA stands in solidarity with the voiceless and all activities who are safeguarding democracy by supporting the movement. We demand that the arrested voiceless and all those detained be released forthwith.